My name is Callum Faris. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and I work in the nose reconstruction clinic in Amsterdam.
I'm Hade Vuyk. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. I dedicated my whole professional life to facial surgery specifically. And it was a privilege to be in contact with patients, to hear their stories.
The thoughts behind the clinic is that the clinic was set up to address complex nasal deformities. This is, for instance, patients that have had surgery elsewhere and have had problems, or people who have had severe nasal deformities either through trauma or through vasculitic diseases or other medical conditions.
It's a very humane thing to do, which means listening in this area of fastness is something becoming rare.
Most of the patients we see have had a long journey and they've had 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 operations, and just by the fact that they're coming to our clinic, they've usually had problems and it's been a difficult journey. So it's important to sit down and listen very carefully, try and understand where they're coming from.
Well, I think the main thing we offer is we're here for them. We're present. We'd like to know you. We'd like to hear your story and then like to know what we can do for you.
We knew there were a lot of patients out there that had problems and they weren't being adequately addressed. So in order to help those patients, we started this clinic.
If I tell the patient what I have to offer, it's not something out there from the literature. It's what we did, what we saw.
I think it's very important that someone who's seeking nasal surgery educates themselves so they can make an informed decision on the surgeon they choose for their surgery.
And then finally, the main thing is, people come back and say, I think we made the right decision together.